Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MVIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today once again as the downwards drift continues, and it got, from a technical point of view, that is, a relatively bearish event occurred because the price broke down below this green line, which I talked about in several past videos as being that key area of support. I mean, you go through the history of things and you can see, generally speaking, did a good job of holding strong, and even this morning held strong, tried its best, but ultimately did fail, and then down it went from that point, which brings about now the new key update, and this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $5.80 is now going to be that key area of resistance. So if the price does decide to try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark resides, is not necessarily can the price get back up to 580, but more importantly, can the price break above it and stay up above it is going to be the big question. So keep an eye on that going forward if there is, like I said, any sort of movement back in the upwards direction. If the price can get through that area, the next key level of resistance you would then want to turn your attention to is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. You can see it's already rejected the price down right there and back here a couple of times. But also don't want to get too far ahead of yourselves. First off, the price just got to get back above 580. Then you can focus more so on the 50-period moving average. As far as areas of support are concerned, the key level to watch is all about that pink line right there, which on my chart denotes a very famous 200-period moving average. And so far, so good. In fact, that's why it's so famous right there. Bounced right off that level. And the current value of that is technically 507, but let's just call it the $5 mark. So $5 is going to be that first key area of support. And then if the price can't quite hold above there, next level of support after that would then be down there right around $4.80. So all in all, not the greatest day today, but we'll see what this one has to offer next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.